We're working on renovating our bathroom, and today we're spicing it up with our new, elegant 24 by 32 inch vanity mirror. It has so much storage. It looks great, it has a defogging feature, and that light brings a comforting glow to the room. It comes shipped to your door safely with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have a layer of thick styrofoam and protective wrap to help make sure your mirror arrives intact. Tear away the protection, and inside you'll find your instructions. Open up your mirror cabinet, and inside you'll find two top mounting brackets, as well as the bottom mounting bracket. Then you'll find your glass shelves. The mirrors have a protective wrap on them to help keep them smudge free until you get them hung. To get started, you'll need a power drill, level, and ruler. First, measure out 3 inches above your sink to make sure your mirror is out of the splash zone. Then drill down the bottom mounting plate. Make sure it's level, and then grab your mirror. Open it up and connect the power cable to the front light and defogger. Then plug it in to make sure everything is working before hanging it up. Now carefully lift up the mirror and rest the bottom mounting plate into the grooves. Make sure it's centered, and then grab your top mounting plates. Slide it into the grooves and screw the top against the wall. Then do the same for the other side. Remove the protective film and we're just about done. My mirror had a lot of styrofoam inside from shipping, so I gave it a quick vacuum and wiped it down. After it's all cleaned up, it's time to install the shelves. Grab your little mounting tabs and insert it into the holes in the side walls of the vanity mirror. Then lower on your glass shelf. The tabs have a little guide ramp that helps the shelves snap and hold into place. Put in your other 2 shelves and you're ready to start organizing. I put all of our essentials into the mirror cabinet and it looks so cool. It looks like a fancy department store with everything lit up and reflecting. Not only that, but it has easy shut hinges, which keeps the cabinet from slamming closed. Now that's pretty cool. The mirror also has a handy defogging option. You can press the button before your shower, and when you get out, you'll have a crystal clear window to see yourself. And if you forget to push the button before your shower, it still defogs pretty quickly. It's fun to watch the coils heat up and spread to open up the visibility. And the light is just awesome. You can press and hold the button to dim or make your light brighter. And then you can press it again to cycle through the different color temperatures. I've been using this as a night light and dim it down low at night. It adds a warm glow to the bathroom, and the giant mirror makes the area feel so much bigger. This mirror really helped tie our bathroom together. Before this, our bathroom was a scary place to be, but now I'm starting to love it. We were able to organize all our things in style, and now our bathroom is looking better than ever. So if you want to spice up your bathroom as well, this vanity mirror might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go check myself out in the mirror some more. See ya.